Welcome to a world veiled in secrets and hidden treasures, where the unassuming cup of rosemary tea harbors the power to revolutionize your well-being. Have you ever contemplated the enigmatic advantages concealed within rosemary tea? Today, we plunge into the depths of research data, unveiling the mesmerizing potential of this enchanting elixir. However, here's the twist: can rosemary tea authentically enhance memory and cognition? Could it be the catalyst for a healthier version of yourself? Join us as we unravel the truth that will captivate you until the very last revelation. Before we embark on this riveting journey of exploration, a brief reminder: the information shared in this content serves educational purposes exclusively and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. In this video, we will unearth the multifaceted benefits of rosemary tea, scrutinizing its impact on brain function, hair health, blood pressure, eye health, and even its potential role in aiding recovery from various health challenges. Now, let's explore the incredible list of health benefits that rosemary tea has to offer. Number 1. Supports brain function. Rosemary tea, celebrated for enhancing brain function, owes its benefits to several key compounds. Rosmarinic acid, known for its neuroprotective effects, reduces brain inflammation, crucial for maintaining cognitive health. Additionally, compounds like ursolic acid aid in the growth of brain cells, promoting neural health. The aroma of rosemary has also been linked to improved concentration and memory performance. Number 2. Improves androgenic alopecia. Rosemary tea is gaining attention in the fight against androgenic alopecia, or pattern baldness. Active compounds like rosmarinic acid and ursolic acid possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may reduce scalp inflammation and stimulate hair growth. While not a standalone cure, incorporating rosemary tea into a balanced lifestyle might enhance its efficacy. Number 3. Supports people with low blood pressure. Compounds in rosemary, including rosmarinic acid and ursolic acid, play a crucial role in supporting individuals with low blood pressure. These compounds help stabilize blood pressure levels and support circulatory health. While a natural option, consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable, especially for those dealing with blood pressure issues. Number 4. Supports eye health. Rosemary tea is a treasure trove of beneficial compounds, including carnosic acid, known for its antioxidant properties. These compounds contribute to protecting against macular degeneration and combating eye stress damage. Flavonoids in rosemary have also been recognized for their protective role in eye health. Number 5. Supports opioid withdrawal syndrome. Compounds like rosmarinic acid and ursolic acid in rosemary may aid in alleviating withdrawal symptoms by reducing stress and inflammation in the body. While promising, rosemary tea's benefits are part of a broader treatment strategy and should be discussed with healthcare professionals. Number 6. Aids recovery in patients with pulmonary edema stroke. The compounds, particularly rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, found in rosemary tea may provide supportive advantages during recovery from a pulmonary edema stroke. These compounds, noted for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, could aid in reducing lung swelling and mitigating oxidative stress. However, it's crucial to view rosemary tea as a complementary approach and not a sole solution. It should be integrated into the overall treatment plan prescribed by healthcare professionals for optimal recovery. Number 7. Slows down cancer cell growth. Rosemary harbors potent compounds such as kojic acid and rosmarinic acid, recognized for their ability to impede the growth of cancer cells, particularly in breast and prostate cancers. While rosemary tea is not a panacea, integrating it into a balanced lifestyle may provide supportive benefits and strategies for preventing cancer. Its multifaceted approach, as revealed in research, underscores its potential as a complementary element in promoting overall well-being and potentially aiding in cancer prevention. Number 8. Boosts weight loss. Rosemary tea, with active components like carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, has been linked to metabolic benefits that may aid in reducing weight gain and improving lipid profiles. It's important to note that this is not a magic solution, and incorporating rosemary tea into a balanced diet and exercise regimen is key. Number 9. Improves digestion. Rosemary's anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties, attributed to compounds like rosmarinic acid and essential oils, play a role in alleviating digestive discomfort. Furthermore, the essential oils in rosemary are found to stimulate bile production, enhancing the digestion of fats. The combined effect of these active ingredients in rosemary tea makes it a soothing beverage that not only provides warmth but actively supports smoother digestion, making it a beneficial addition to one's wellness routine. Number 10. Helps in erectile dysfunction. The antioxidant properties and positive effects on vascular health in rosemary tea could aid in mitigating erectile dysfunction symptoms. As a potential complementary therapy, it's crucial to incorporate it into a comprehensive strategy rather than relying on it as a standalone solution. Number 11. Helps relieve menstrual cramps. Rosemary tea, with its anti-inflammatory properties, may help reduce uterine contractions and alleviate menstrual cramps. Antioxidants in rosemary can lessen oxidative stress, which often exacerbates cramps. Now that we've explored the myriad benefits of rosemary tea, let's delve into the step-by-step process of preparing this delightful beverage. To make rosemary tea at home, gather fresh or dried rosemary. For 1 cup of tea, use about 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary or 1 tablespoon of fresh rosemary. Boil water and steep the rosemary for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the rosemary and serve. You can add honey or lemon for extra flavor. The optimal time and dosage for drinking rosemary tea can vary. In general, morning or early afternoon is ideal for an invigorating experience. Drinking it before or during meals might aid in digestion. The recommended dosage is 1 to 2 cups per day, but moderation is key. So, what are the potential side effects of rosemary tea? While rosemary tea offers numerous benefits, it's crucial to be aware of potential side effects. Excessive consumption can lead to digestive issues, and some individuals may experience allergic reactions. Rosemary can also interact with certain medications, so consultation with a healthcare professional is advisable. Pregnant and breastfeeding women, individuals with seizure disorders, and those sensitive to stimulating effects should exercise caution. We hope you've enjoyed this enlightening exploration into the world of rosemary tea benefits. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your tea-loving friends. For more exciting discoveries and wellness tips, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Now, we leave you with a question: how will you incorporate rosemary tea into your daily routine? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep sipping that rosemary tea magic. Cheers to your well-being.